Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to program for beginners. So, today we'll be programming a very easy game. So, the first thing to do is go to events and go to when green flag clicked. After that, you need to go to control and choose the forever block. Place it under the when green flag clicked. When you've done that, take from the control the if then block and place it in the forever block. After that, take another if then block and place it under it. And you repeat this until you have 4 of these if then blocks in this forever block. Now go to sensing and take this key space pressed block, put it in the if then block, take another one and put it in all the 4 of them. When you've done that, go to the first one, key space pressed, change the space to right arrow. The second one, change the space to left arrow. Then the third if then, change it to down arrow, and the fourth to up arrow. Now go to motion and choose the point direction 90 block. Put it in your first if key right arrow pressed, then point in direction 90 block. Then take the move 10 steps and place it under the point in direction 90. After that, take another point in direction and put it in your second if then block. You need to change here the point direction to -90 and take another move 10 steps and put it under the point in direction -90. Now then take the change by 10 and put it into the third if then block that you have. And what you need to change in this block is you need to write -10. When you've done that, take another change y by 10 and put it into your fourth if then block. Now you are done. If you've done it correctly, if you click on this green flag, you will see how it flies. This is a really easy beginner programming. So if you're a beginner and you want to learn how to program, I hope this video helped you, and please subscribe, like, and share. Bye.